While we're on video, look, we found one of OJ's gloves, right?
Oh my gosh, that is OJ's glove.
It's OJ's. Oh my god, dude. Oh, yeah.
Hank just touched it. Now he's guilty.
Does it fit you? Does it fit?
If it don't fit, you gotta quit.
That's right.
Look, that's as far as I can go.
Oh, it don't fit.
Just like OJ.
It don't fit.
Well, good morning, everybody. It's time for another delicious edition of Texas Oatmeal. We're going for a little ride that Jamie's husband has put on for today. We thought it was going to rain. It still kind of looks a little gloomy outside, but I think it's going to be all right. Rain's supposed to be here this afternoon. Probably going to get rained on the way home. Very potentially. Grass is looking good, though. Look at that. Dang. I mean, looking good. Don't mind the oil spots from my roommate's car because her car sucks. I mean, if you're watching this, your car leaks oil. That's it. Anyway, so we're going to get on the road. Got to meet up with the old Hank. Is he going to be late? I mean, he usually is. Got some water because it's already humid and hot. Got the death track all ready to rock. And here we go. All right, well, we're gassed up at $5.39 a gallon. Thanks, Joe. Got the line going right here. I'm gonna get at the very tail end of this nonsense so I can get some shots because I don't have to leave today. Thank God. So here we go. Troy and I got split up from everybody trying to pull out of the gas station and at the light. So we're gonna play a little catch up. And I know Troy will go fast. So hopefully the death track can keep up with him. Here we go. Look at this beautiful lineup we have. We're here for 5 minutes, enough to get pictures and go, according to Billy. Look at these yellow lights. Those look good in there.
Walk out of their graduation picture. Laurel?
I don't know how you want to pose in front of this, man.
I mean, do you want to just move the Mustang out of the way? And I mean, talk about class of 2022. No one else will have this picture.
No one else will have this.
No one else. Yeah, we'll let you sit in one, take a picture, or stand next to whatever you want to do.
What color you want? Huh? What color you want?
Green one. Dang, Hank. Guess which one he picked to sit in?
I have no idea.
The turbo pickle.
That's a man with amazing taste.
Yeah, you might get a few pictures standing next to. If you want to get in it, you can. We'll teach you how to get in properly.
I don't want to get in.
Okay, well, you just stand there. You do whatever you want. It's not my car, so I don't care if you mess it up. sure what's going on. We've stopped in the middle of the road and Billy's out of his car. I think he like saved a turtle maybe or something. I don't really know. But the rest of the group that could see him is cheering like he did something good. So good job, Billy. Sarah pissed him off.
Yeah, it was me. Always me.
Always.
I'm the deathless.
They got to pay $10 to launch.
Look at this, and there's no one here this
Oh
time.
my god, this is so nice.
Last time it was packed. I don't know what the difference is or why it's this way, but I'll take it.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's okay. It won't show up on camera. Okay, okay, that's enough. All right, Augie's was delicious. As Troy pulls up nice and close. I'm grateful for shade right now, that's for sure. Because shade is nice. It's definitely hot. I'm at 89 degrees, the car says. So we're gonna go over to the castle that Hank has decided. If you remember from the last episode of this ride, which none of you remember because it was a long time ago, Hank decided to tell us that it was old Neon Deion Sanders that purchased this castle up here before his turf toe injury. And I think everybody's well aware that Hank is full of shit. We're heading over there now. Okay, so this is unexpected. We're on a dirt road. We don't know how far this road is going to go in dirt. But clearly this wasn't like this last time. We would remember. Got a lot of squeak going on behind me. I think my luggage rack has loosened up as well. But we're rocking and rolling. Get it? And I don't know how long we're gonna try this, but it is flashbacks to the old Deadwood trip from last year. Hank can ask. Alright. So they said that it ends here shortly. Because Hank was like, I'm not gonna be on this for that long. Okay, so maybe it's not quite as bad as Deadwood. Deadwood, we definitely were on this dirt road for like 2 miles, and it wasn't gonna end, so we had to turn around. This evidently ends here in just a second. It's a good thing. Right here, because there's a giant retaining. Here's the squeaking I'm hearing. It's loose. Gonna have to tighten that up.
Awesome.
I stopped the lady in the road. I don't know if y'all saw that. And I said, ma'am, how long does this bullshit go on for? She goes,
No cussing.
it'll end up there in just a bit. 3 hours later, we're still on the dirt road.
It wasn't even a mile
So,
long.
look at you, dramatic drama queen.
Hey, people want to see the drama,
Well, we
so
gotta
that's
get out of the
okay.
way
It's
so
good
they
for
can-
views.
Oh, I didn't know I was on
Drama
camera.
Queen. Oh.
I didn't know I was on camera. Did you
Yeah.
miss the body slam comment? didn't know
barely.
Gummit.
I don't know if it's gonna show or be on there.
I'm glad we're here so we can tell you this to your face. I know you got a lot of social activities and a lot of friends. These trips are never quite as fun when you're not here. So we really appreciate it when you could make it. The only way it could be better is if Chad and Cammie were here.
I know.
But
oh my
you know what? They
goodness.
snooze, they lose.
I hate that Cammie's not
You hear that, Cammie? You snooze, you lose.
Cammie's got some.
Careful,
Cammie's
careful.
got some.
She's got what, Hank? Tell us what Cammie's got going on.
She's got a lot of prior engagements.
Ah,
She
good.
does.
Yes,
She does.
she's an important person. We know.
She's like apparently, what is it? A concert queen or something.
Oh my gosh, she goes to all the
these
concerts.
concerts.
While we're on video, look, we found one of OJ's gloves, right?
Oh my gosh, that is OJ's
It's
glove.
OJ's. Oh my god, dude. Oh, yeah.
Hank just touched it. Now
Does
he's guilty.
it fit you? Does it
If
fit?
it don't fit, you gotta quit.
That's right.
Look, that's as far as I can go.
Oh, it don't
Just
fit.
like OJ.
It don't fit.
Real good Harley. Well, Billy apologized for the offer.
I didn't know Neon Dion got himself a Ford Ranger.
That's all he can afford now.
That is a Ford
That's-
f***ing Ranger.
That's what he carries, his recently amputated big toe.
And just like that, we are back from another amazing day. Been a good day. This definitely has some play in it. Gonna have to tighten that up. That's actually the second time this has done it. I've had this car cover on there for a long time. Driven around thousands of miles with the car cover in a bag mounted to this, no problem. But the tank itself weighs probably another 10 pounds or so, and this a few pounds or whatever. So all that together, it's putting some extra load on this luggage rack that's got, 20,000 miles on it. So it might be the hardware, the nut and bolt that are holding it clamped to the bars is actually wearing out. That'd be my guess. So I need to fix that. I may actually go, since I'm not trying to keep this up off of the plastic deck that normally is back here. I might even hard mount this. Well, I'm going to hard mount this setup probably to the frame of the car instead of using a luggage rack whatsoever. Or maybe to the bars or something. Hard mount it so it's not actually, the straps will still be on there. It'll look like it's strapped down, but actually it's not. They'll just be decorative. They're kind of decorative right now. They do a little bit, but it actually is bolted to this underneath. Anyways, y'all don't really care about that. Basically, it's been an awesome day. Good ride out there. Good meal. Wasn't super packed this time like it was last time. Didn't have to sit in the sun. No issues from anybody, I don't think. Did we? No, nothing, right? So, another good Vanderhaul day. Billy did a great job leading. I was so glad I didn't have to lead. I love it when I don't have to lead because I can get all the cars, come up on them, pass them, all the things you're going to see in this video, actually, that I haven't edited yet, but I'm going to, and you're going to see it. You've already seen it, actually, at this point. I get to do all that when I'm not leading. It's kind of such a nice thing to be able to do. So thank you, Billy, for leading on your ride that you planned. You did a great job. That's it for today. We'll see you next time. Peace.
You must be blinded by the lights. We came to shine here. Watch it look daytime in the night. We bring the vibes here. We full of life, you keep the change. Keep the change. They hate and say we went and changed. I stay the same. You must be blinded by the